Nidhi is, firstly, I feel like she's so great with lines. There's this playfulness that she has. As and when we start shooting, I'll be the first one to yell from the rooftop.
Naila, what's up? How's
Hi,
life treating you?
life is treating me good. The weather isn't. It's very hot and humid, which is not fun. But it is what it is.
Okay, well, congratulations for Mamla Legal Hair. Firstly, I really want to know that what made you choose this project?
Well, it was such an interesting script to begin with. I read
Hmm.
the script and I knew that, okay, here is something that I haven't done before. It's in a space that I is so new to me. And when I read the characters, when I kind of went into the universe of this script, I knew that this is something I can't miss out on. I have to do this.
Okay, so what were the behind the scenes? Who was the fun, person on the sets?
Genuinely speaking, each and every person on this set was a laughing riot. Possibly the funniest people I've ever met. Definitely Ravi sir and his quirky one-liners are something that I can't not talk about. He's a
Yeah.
very funny man. So it was that. I mean, Nidhi, Anand, they all were just so funny. All of them, Vikram, the entire cast, they were genuinely funny people who came together to make a funny show, which is probably why people are liking it so much because they're just
Yeah.
so funny.
It's a big hit now. So, were there any learnings from Ravi Kishan sir?
Very first interaction with Ravi sir was during a table reading session. And, he came in wide eyed like a child. He had so many interesting ideas to put into his character, VD Tyagi, to the show that I was so inspired as a youngster coming into this industry. It was so inspiring to see that here's a man who has done some 750 films, and he's
Yeah.
coming with this childlike energy to
Oh.
get on board and do a new show. Even for him, it was portraying him in such a new light that we hadn't seen before.
Hmm.
So it was a lot of learning that I did during the prep, and then
Hmm.
on set he was just so inspiring. He would play with his eyes. He would take pauses in interesting places, and there was just so much of Tehrav in his performance that I used to just watch him in awe and learn that, okay, this is an interesting way of doing it. And then of course when I saw it finally on screen, it was a whole different ball game. So I knew that this is a true veteran. He knows how to perform. He knows what kind of shot to give and how it's going to translate on camera. I think that is so important. Sometimes we forget, how we are on set is one thing, but how it translates on camera is a whole different thing. And I feel like he knows that essence very well. So that was a lot of learning as well.
And from Nidhi Bisht.
Nidhi is, firstly, I feel like she's so great with lines. The way there's this playfulness that she has when she's talking. And I feel like that's something that I picked up from her. She has this really raspy, interesting voice as well. There's a lot to gain from her ease. She has a very easy vibe. And I think that's what makes her so special. And I feel like there's a lot that I learned from her energy and just the way she talks and she says her dialogues. I think that's very interesting.
So, Naila, when can we expect the season two of Mamla Legal Hai? Can we get few spoilers and क्या shooting शुरू हो गई है? What's next?
Not yet. We It's in the process of being written as we speak. I feel like, with this one, the king is really the script, right?
Hmm.
So it's all on the writers to just write it really well, because I feel like अब characters तो हमें समझ आ गए हैं. Like, we know how to breathe in life into these characters. That is something that we've kind of managed to do over the course of these 8 episodes in season one. I think now the focus is really on getting newer cases, newer ideas, newer stories, and then developing obviously on the characters that we've already laid, and the foundation of. So is being written as we speak. It's being written, and as and when we start shooting, I'll be the first one to yell from the rooftops that we've started filming season 2.
So Bareilly Ki Barfi, Tamasha, now Mamla Legal hai, so many projects. But which,
Yeah.
according to you, will remain memorable Hamesha?
That's a tough one, because each and every one really makes you more and more, it teaches you something or the other, and it
Yeah.
it gives you that thing कि अच्छा ये गलत किया है तो नेक्स्ट में ये नहीं करूंगी, या ये अच्छा किया है तो मैं नेक्स्ट में ज्यादा ये
Hmm.
करूंगी. um but definitely I'll say Tamasha is obviously going to be an important one for me because I was so young. I was like fresh out of school. I had no idea कि मतलब set में क्या करना पड़ता है, acting कैमरा के सामने क्या होता है. I had literally no idea in the world. But what it made me realize was that मुझे कैमरा के आगे एक्टिंग करना पसंद आता है. तो ये मैं कर सकती हूँ अगर मैं मेहनत करूँ. So I think that becomes an important stepping stone for me, because that made me
Yeah.
realize that okay, this is something I'm interested in and I'm excited by.
So, what kind of roles do you prefer doing, or are there any dream collaborations?
um I say this often and I truly mean this. I feel like at this point I'm really like a plain canvas, and I want to be painted with each and every color and shade.
Wow.
I'm so new to this world that I'm just eager to perform,
You
right?
have that
And
hunger.
yeah, like as an actor, you just want to play different characters. So I definitely want to play characters that are closer to myself, to a Naila Grewal. I do want to play those kind of characters, but I also really want to play characters that are really far away from me, things that I haven't lived or breathed into. Because I feel
Mm.
like that is where, as an actor, you can really play with ideas, you can really research, you can get
Mhm.
into a different world almost.
And your
And
dream
that
collaborations?
my dream collaborations, I feel like I would love to collaborate again with Anubhav Sinha sir. I had a fantastic time shooting for Thappar. I would love to work with him.
Or
I mean, there's
any
so many.
actor you want to,
Uh, Off the
share
top of my
screen?
head, definitely Vikrant Massey. Everyone is people would think for 12th fail, while he's done a fantastic job. I have really enjoyed his performance in Death in a Gunj. And I feel like people don't say it enough, but it was such a special film and it was such a special performance. So yeah, I would really love to collaborate with him and everybody else, all interesting artists and actors, I think.
So now I'm gonna list few celebrities, and you have to
Mm-hmm.
tell me one thing you would like to steal from them. Are you ready?
Ooh, I'm excited. Okay.
Okay, Tapsi Pannu.
I would steal her lovely curly hair.
Okay, Nidhi Bisht.
I would steal her raspy voice. I love her voice. I think it's so unique.
Ravi Kishan.
The fact that he's done 700, 750 films, I want that.
Rohit.
His boyish charm. He has this charm to him.
Deepika Padukone.
Ooh, definitely that height, because I'm a shorter girl. So I would love to be tall for I don't know how long, but yeah, that would be fun to see the world from that height.
Even I want to steal it. Same in my
I
case.
know. Oof.
Ayushman Khurrana.
Oh, his lovely personality. I think he has such a warm, warm heart.
Okay, Kriti Sanon.
Oh, I've already said height. Now I don't know what to say. um, I think she has a very never give up attitude. And I would
Yeah.
definitely want to, inculcate that in myself.
Urfi Javed.
Ooh,
Any of her
her
outfits you want to steal?
No, I think her outfits look great on her, so I let her have that. But I feel like how brave she is. She's so like unabashedly brave and confident of who she is, which is great. Good for her.
Ranbir Kapoor?
Tough one with
What
a
made
lot
you
to
speechless?
steal. I
Oh
would
my God.
say uh, his acting prowess. He's so talented, no, as an actor. So let's inculcate a little bit of that.
And Alia Bhatt?
Has this kind of when she came into the industry, she had this. She was she was not shy of showing who she was. She was not shy of
Hmm.
making a face in front of the camera. She was not reserved. I think as an actor, sometimes we get very scared and reserved to
She was
do
completely
something
bindas.
bold.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I feel like that's her USP and her charm, that she's always been that bindas kind of, not scared of shame or feeling that, oh, I have to not do this or not do that. She was very out and about, which is great.
So who's your celebrity crush?
I don't have one. I feel like when I was younger, I probably did. But I feel like forever and ever, it has to be like Shah Rukh, because I feel like if I were to meet Sir, again at this day and age, I would probably still be starstruck because it's Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
He's like forever like star.
Well, thank
I
you
hope
so
so.
much. And it was lovely talking to you. And any one message you
Likewise.
would like to give it to your fans?
I would like to say, firstly, genuinely thank you very much for giving so much of love to Mamla Legal Hair. It's such a special show for me, and please be on the edge of your seats for season 2. It's going to be an absolute joyride, and in between, I also have Ishq Vishk Rebound that's going to keep you guys very excited.
Wow.
So there's a lot of me in store, and yes, just please give all your love, and please keep supporting the way you have been. And yes,